Can I use a gas range on unsealed subflooring? Vinyl flooring was installed under front half of depth, but not back half. Older house has some leveling issues, so we repaired the best we could. Small dip under stove prevents vinyl from adhering. Original subfloor has poured leveler, is sealed and primed, a layer of lauan, then LVT. So we're talking about 12-inch by 30-inch. Area under back half of range being over top bare lauan. New LG gas range. Fire hazard? Question from user Katie did 6387 at Stack Exchange. Answer: no modern kitchen range is going to have material requirements for the floor. You can put it on a stack of newspaper if you like. Such ovens are used daily in millions of rustic cabins with tindered dry pine floors, for example, and most ovens have highly flammable dust bunnies the size of, well, bunnies under them. If there were heat and sparks down there, we'd all be doomed. When in doubt, read the manual that came with your new range. Answer from user Isherwood at Stack Exchange.